Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. How are you doing today? This time we came to introduce you to a new unique slider widget by Ultimate Post Kit, the Foxico slider. As you can see on the screen, this is a white slider interface having a broad background image, 4 different types of navigation systems, a bold title, a button and thumb posts on your right side. The slider is a very smooth interactive UI where users can click on the arrows to see the slider bringing up the next post with a soothing animation effect. Both slider and thumb are equipped with lots of cool animations to put a smile on your visitor's face with a lovely slider layout. Now let's see what's inside the backend customizations for the Foxico slider widget. Let's first drag and drop the widget inside the page editor. This is the default interface of the slider before your eyes. Let's quickly change the post selections from the query using the include field, selecting terms and then typing the category name. Now that's better. Now the slider will only show posts belonging to the selected category. You can click on the arrows to see the next slide waiting on the thumb gallery. Going back to the layout, you can change the total height of the slider widget by dragging the height scroll bar on top. Use it to match the content height according to your page setting. The thumb post width is also adjustable from the scroll bar right below. The alignment option is for the text and buttons on the featured slider, not the thumbs. You can also change image resolution from the image size option here. And there are some buttons right below which can control the visibility of some elements on the slider interface. For instance, you can turn off the text switcher to make the text vanish from the slider. Let's turn it back on. And at the bottom of this section, you get to change the button text on the slider. We have already been to the query before. This section lets you limit the number of items displayed in the slider. Let's change the item limit to 5 and you can see that the navigation pointers changed as well, showing the exact number of items. As for the include-exclude fields, the former displays selected posts while the latter hides them from displaying. Then you get some sorting options to set the order of the items in the slider. From the navigation section here, you can select a unique type of navigation system like the arrows and change them according to your needs. If you turn off the fraction switcher, you can see 2 of the navigation pointers vanishing from the display. Let's put it back on. Almost forgot that for arrows, you get 23 unique arrowhead styles to choose from. Let's choose one now. Next, the slider settings section has options to modify the animation settings of the slider. Let's move on to the Style tab. The first section is for customizing the items by background colors, borders, and padding. Let's go to the button subsection and change the background color of it. Scroll a bit down and you can additionally change the hover background color too. Then let's move on to the thumbs section. There are lots of options here for customizations, but let's get to the next section. First, change the background color of the arrows using the same green tone. Then we can go to the line pagination subsection and change the background color too. In the same place, let's scroll down until you find the line color option and pick the same color tone for the line pagination. Alright, then we can move on to the number paginations or say fraction pagination. Here we are changing the colors as well as the active color of the numbers. A deep and light combination works best. The same goes for the thumb numbers, and skip. We reached at the end of our slider making process. That's all we wanted to show you today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section or directly contact us from our website. Then, see you next time.